Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn how to draw an ant. Ant is an insect and it is generally of two colors, that is red and black. You can color it with these two colors only. Now we'll go for the ladybird. Ladybird is an insect and it is always in red and black color. Here it is completed. Now we'll go for a sleeping cat with the help of 200. Yes, how cute it's looking and how easy it is to draw it, right? Now it is completed and it is our final look. Here we will go for our baby elephant. You know what is a baby elephant called? It is called a calf. Yes, baby elephant is called a calf. And here is our picture ready. In this video, we will learn how to draw a ladybug with the help of an alphabet, two semicircles, and we'll color it with black and red. Now, we will learn how to draw a honeybee. You know, honeybee is very important for our life because honeybee stores lot of honeys and it gives to the animal and human being as well. So, here is the final look of our honeybee. Now we'll go for a baby shark. You know what is a baby shark called? It is called a hatchling. Yes, baby shark is ready and now this is the final look of our baby shark. Here we will learn how to draw a panda with a heart balloon. So here generally pandas are of only black and white color, so you don't need much colors, just need to color the balloon with the red one. And here this is the final look of our drawing. Now we will draw kitten holding a heart, and this kitten is surprisingly an angel. Yes, so here we have completed with the body and heart. Now finally we'll go with the wings and you can see how pretty it is looking. You can color it, this angel kitty, with your favorite colors. Now we'll move on to our next drawing, that is a turtle. You know, turtle are of two types, which is called different names, turtle and tortoise. One lives on land and one lives on water the most. Yes, so here our drawing is ready. Now we'll go for our another drawing, that is a mermaid. You know what is a mermaid? A mermaid is a human being and a fish as well. Means yes, half human being and half fish. See how beautiful this mermaid is looking. You can draw in your drawing copy and it is looking so good. Now with the help of these circles we'll draw a scared dog. I think someone has scared this dog. I don't know who, but it is looking too scary, so it's very easy to draw in your notebook. Thank you for watching our video.